guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, magpunta kami sa BeautyCon ng Watson. So, nandyan kasi si David Licao. So, puntahan namin guys. Punta namin si David Licao. Bakit na kami guys?
Ayaw mag-download.
Bakit ayaw mag-download? Download mo.
Wala akong wifi.
Ha? Wala akong wifi. So, wala daw siyang wifi guys. So, we need to go in second floor kasi may free wifi. Ha?
Si Ma'am Mo.
Dito na kami guys. Saan na si Dito ba yon? Then guys, papasok na kami guys. Ayan.
Winners of those who purchased Derm 8 products of 999 pesos worth. Nandiyan pa kayo? Ayun, nandito sila. Okay, those who purchased 999 pesos worth of Derm 8 products, marami na yun ha. So, fresh and confident kayo, Mr. David Licao.
Ayan. Sir David Licao guys.
Thank you po sa inyong bumili na 999.
Yes.
Tara.
Pause muna.
Ayan na, si Dave na Licao ko. So, swerte siya mga naka-picture guys. So, guys, pag kayo guys, nagbili kayo ng product niya, ng Derm Eat. So, makapapicture kayo kay David Licao ko. And, so, what are you waiting for? So, magbili na kayo para makapicture na tayo. So, let's go. And, diba? Ang cute-cute niya guys. Sobra. Yan. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko guys. Ayan. Please like and support my YouTube channel. Yan. Wow, mga ganda guys. May next pa guys na upcoming mga artist. Day 1 pa lang to guys. Day 1 hanggang day 4. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Yung event lang dito sa SMX Convention Manila Center. Ayan.
Yes! Wait lang, nahawakan kita, David. Alam mo ba yung sinasabi ko, guys?
Yeah.
Namamawis na ako.
Especially when you're beside David,
Ay!
diba? So, dapat lagi, and yun nga on the go talaga. Even my kids, I let them use it. So, now naman, so we're speaking of kapag ganyan na natitense ka, may katabi kang pogi, di ba? So, nandiyan na baka kinakabahan ka na. And then, pwedeng maging sweaty. But don't worry guys, we have a product from DermAid that really works. Ito, gamit nito ng buong family ko. They also have the Tawas line. So first they have, I don't think it's here, but they have roll-on, the Dio, this one's the soap. So partner talaga yan. It has to be the DermAid Tawas soap and the DermAid underarm roll-on or the Tawas powder. They'll also have that. So they're naturally, yung ingredients niyan ay very safe for the whole family. My daughter who's 9 years old is already also using them. So
Thank you
talagang
so
subok
much.
namin and gamit na gamit namin yan sa household namin.
But beside David, so just in case you guys want to try out DermAid, the booth is there on our right side, your left side.
We'll all be here after, right?
Yeah, both of you will be there at the booth. So kung gusto nyong maamoy si David like I did,
So let's do that. And on top of that, syempre, I do have that you can make for free server, the free
Yan guys. Saan yung ano?
Yes.
so palakpakan natin siya.
Yan mga product natin guys. Si Adio. Adio Frost. Pants. Yan. So mag-ikot tayo guys na daming saan tayo? Ganda dito. Guys, a lot of sales here.
Dr. Garlic Snack.
Skin. Ala, skin, oo. Centella. CosRX.
So everyone, bye!
See you at the DermAid booth!
Now that's how you freshen up a journey. Thank you, Mr. David and DermAid, for keeping our beauty travels fresh and clean. Beauty travelers, don't forget to check out the DermAid booth for tips and products that would keep you ready for every destination. Next stop on our journey, we're now boarding the Fragrance Express, and your estimated time of arrival is 2:30 p.m.
Sinaw, oy. Urban. Hi, hello po.
TCB.
Dami kami. Live po kayo sa Ihiya sa Philippines. Char.
Wala na,
Sabi yung
Bente, sa
ano,
harapan.
Biotin dito at saka ano. Okay. Okay. DermAid, okay, Sir David.
Nabangtik ko eh.
Right here. No.
Ano ba yan? Makaroon tayo ng...
Ayan guys, so hanapin natin yung BU10 guys, BYS at saka Target Pro, saan kayo nakapwesto. So, ayan. Ang dami pala ditong mga skincare. Yung kasama ko, si Ralph. Yan, hinahanap namin yung Target Pro skincare. At BU10. Yan, saan kaya dito? Ayan. Ang daming tao yan. Ayan. Basta may mga artista, ang daming tao guys. Yan. Ang ganda dito. So, yan si Target Pro guys. Yan, maganda. Perfect. Yan. Yan. So, hanapin pa natin yung iba guys. Puntahan natin si BU10. Si BU10 at si BYS. Saan kaya nilagay nila? Sana ba yung kasama ko? Naturals! Makasaro ano ko ganing. Hi ma'am. Cameraman. Yes ma'am. Ay, Target Pro. Tara na, oy. Skin taping.
Stress ng balik natin.
Ang ingay ah.
Reunion ba tayo?
Dahil sa'yo yan ah.
Hi everyone! It's so nice to see all of you today. I'm Nadine Lustre for Lux Organics, Lux Fragrances, and we're very excited to unveil the Lux Fragrances Soleil de Paris collection with all of you. So sana excited din kayong lahat.
Yes, and you know what? Every time na nakasama kita mag-host, nahihiya ako magtanong, ano scent mo? But thankfully ngayon,
Alam mo na.
alam ko na, i-unveil natin together. But before that, I do wanna ask, like, why fragrance and how is it so important to you specifically?
Well, honestly, you know, growing up, I would see my mom's
Collection niya.
Yung collection niya. Sobrang dami ng perfume. And yung pinaka-memory ko na every time na nagpo-perfume siya is paglalabas siya. So she looks so glamorous. She's always well-prepped and she's dressed really nice. So parang growing up, yun na yung naisip ko na parang there's some sort of connection when it comes to empowerment and when it comes to feeling and looking good. So now that I'm all grown up, I have my very own collection na as well. And every time I go out, it's always a different scent. Kasi
Okay.
I have moods when it comes to perfumes. I'm not very picky when it comes to my perfumes, but syempre, I still pick the ones that I like, diba? But it's not always the same, I
Oh.
guess, notes. It's not always floral, it's not always parang berries. Iba't-iba talaga siya. Kasi
Yan guys. Hanggang kami ng BU10 guys. And magkita kami guys pag pinapagkita.
Good afternoon, Dumami na ang tao. I wonder why it might be involving a very fresh person that's coming in.
Hi guys, we're going out na guys. Kasi, ano na, duty time na. Yan. Done with the BeautyCon. So, bye-bye. Ito na, exit na dito yata.